A suspected assassination attempt on Saturday at a rally in Pennsylvania targeted former President Donald Trump just days before he was scheduled to accept the Republican nomination for the third time. The Secret Services has confirmed that Trump is now safe despite being injured during the rally. However, one attendee and the gunman have died. India champions claimed victory in the championship match on Saturday in Birmingham, defeating Pakistan champions. They became the first winners of the World Championship of Legends. Under the direction of Yuvraj Singh, India easily defeated the opposition by 5 wickets, reaching the target of 157 in 19.1 overs. On July 14, the Ratna Bhandar, the treasure of the 12th century Jagannath temple in Puri, Odisha, reopened after 46 years. The Odisha government constituted an 11-member team, including the nominal ruler of Puri, Gajapati Maharaj, ASI Superintendent D.B. Gadanayak, SJTA Chief Administrator Aravinda Padi, and former Odisha High Court Judge Biswanath Rath, to facilitate the reopening of the temple. Kim Jong-un, the leader of North Korea, reportedly fired or demoted a few senior officials for their irresponsible management for his showpiece project, the construction of a new town in the north of the nation. In Q1 of financial year 25, India's cars exports reached 11,92,577 units, marking a 15.5% year-on-year increase. Exports of passenger cars saw a 19% rise, while two-wheelers increased by 17% and commercial vehicles by 8%. Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina cut short her China visit, returning home earlier this week. She departed Beijing on Wednesday night instead of her original scheduled Thursday morning departure. However, her early departure from Beijing raises the possibility that she did not achieve her travel goals. The extensive use of digital transactions for online shopping is expected to triple India's digital payments to 7 trillion by 2030. The survey indicates that 90% of the consumers prefer digital payments when shopping online, underscoring the growing trend. Gender parity is evident in the fact that both men and women account for 72% of the transactions using digital payments. Chief Minister of Telangana, Revanth Reddy, acknowledged the ongoing issue with fee payments in private institutions, citing budgetary constraints. Reddy pledged to promptly release cash for fee reimbursement from the current academic year and proposed a one-time fee settlement plan.
इस तरह आरकेडीएफ विश्वविद्यालय राज्य और देश के आधुनिक और उच्च विश्वविद्यालयों में से एक है। RKDF University, a world-class university. Education glorifies nation.
Prime Minister Modi initiated the longest and the largest urban tunnel project in India, spanning from Thane to Borivali. Thanks to the Rs 16,000 crore Thane-Borivali twin tunnel project by MMRDA, commuters will be able to travel from one end to the other in just 12 minutes, reducing travel time by 1 hour. Hinduja Group is set to acquire Reliance Capital from Anil Ambani in a significant deal of Rs 4,300 crores. The NCLT Mumbai approved the resolution plan of Indizin International Holdings in February, leading to the development. JP Nadda, BJP's leader, is expected to continue serving as the party's national president until the end of this year, with plans to appoint new leader by December. Additionally, Nadda has been appointed as the leader of the House in Rajya Sabha. The Mizoram police seized drugs worth Rs 32.5 crores in 2 separate operations, successfully combating drug trafficking. The operations resulted in the seizure of significant amounts of heroin and methamphetamine pills. They also detained 2 drug dealers, including a woman. On Sunday, South Korea issued a warning to North Korea, stating that using nuclear weapons would result in the fall of its dictatorship. The Defense Ministry in Seoul released a statement saying, "We sternly warn that North Korea's regime will not survive if it uses nuclear weapons." On July 14, Armed persons ambushed a joint team of CRPF and a state police in Jiribam district of Manipur, resulting in the death of one CRPF Jawan and injuring 3 others. The attack occurred as they approached Monbung village while conducting a search related to a shooting incident on July 13th. In Indonesia's Gorontalo region, search and rescue teams focused on landslide and flash flood victims, confirming 27 deaths and reporting 15 people missing. More than 280 individuals survived the tragedy that struck mining sites a week ago. Spain officially became the best ever football team in the Europe after a record-breaking 4th European Championship, defeating England 2-1 following a drama-filled second half in the Euro 2024 final on Saturday in Berlin. Spain's previous victories came in 1964, 2008 and 2012.